Wash your head with coconut water, and this is going to happen. Wash your head with coconut water, and this is going to happen. This is New Life with Precious. How are you guys doing today? If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Shout out to you, my long-time supporters. I really appreciate you guys. If you are my viewer, you've been watching my channel, you've been watching my videos for a long time, and you have not yet decided to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now, because there are so many benefits for you, because there are so many things you will gain. You're going to be entertained, you're going to learn a lot about spiritual practices to help you better your life. So go ahead right now, press the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Like, comment and share my videos. Okay, so I want to implore you guys to stick with me till the rest of this video, because this video is very powerful, is very spiritual, and you're going to learn a lot. Wash your head with coconut water, and this is going to happen. That is the topic for this video. Coconut water has been used traditionally for ages. It's been used for centuries. It's been used for years to solve problems. Coconut water has been used severally to stop the dark forces. Coconut water has been used to solve a lot of health problems. Coconut water actually has a lot of medicinal and spiritual benefits, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be teaching you about the spiritual benefits of coconut. Specifically, when you wash your head with coconut water, what is going to happen is going to surprise you. Are you somebody that always have constant headache? You have migraines, you have headaches of unexplained origin, you complain about tension in your head, you complain about tension in your neck, whatever it is, you can use coconut water to solve the problems. Whether the problem is spiritual, whether it is physical, you can use coconut water to solve the problems. Coconut water has been used severally, particularly like it's been used in Africa, particularly in Nigeria and in other African countries. Coconut water is widely used to stop the attack of spiritual forces. It's been used to solve the dark forces. It's been used to solve a lot of spiritual problems. That's why today I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is coconut. Okay, so I already got the water. I actually got 2 coconuts and I already cracked one, so the water is in here. Okay, so this is coconut. All you have to do is you have to crack this open, and make sure you do this from the side. Don't do it from the eyes and the nose. Okay, just crack it from the side, and you're gonna get the water in a bottle or in a jar. So once you get that, you have to pray. This is coconut water. You have to pray to God. Okay, because God makes this thing. God made coconuts. God made coconut water. So you have to pray, you have to make your intention, you have to make your wishes, and you have to believe, you have to have faith that this is going to work for you. Okay, don't just believe in the coconut water, but believe in the energy behind the water, the power in this coconut water, and you have to believe that this is going to work for you 100%. So what you have to do is just that you open this up. You're having headache, you're having tension in your head, you're having headache of known origin, you're having migraines, whatever the problem is, just open this up and wash your head with it. You're gonna get this and you're gonna wash your head like this. You're gonna wash your head. You're gonna wash it. You're gonna wash it. You're gonna wash it. You're gonna wash it. And while you're doing that, you're gonna be praying to God to take away the migraine, to take away the tension, to take away the headache. You do this in a circular motion. You can do this for like 5 minutes. Make sure you rub it pretty well so that the coconut water is going to get into your scalp. Okay, that's how you get rid of migraine. Wash your head with coconut water and this will happen. When you wash your head with coconut water, it kills migraines. It removes migraine. It makes you feel better again. Try this and you'll be glad you did. I tried this and it worked for me 100%. Okay, I love to read your testimony. Leave your testimony down in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up right now, and like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.